I feel like this is the kind of class that I kind of have to like pinch myself and be like, this is school for me. These are the classes that I get to take. How lucky am I to be here?
The class is CL 249, Classics in Pop Culture, and it's a class that looks at classical reception, different media forms, and a way of both studying them but also experimenting with them. For the activity that came from a day that we had been studying the Hades-Persephone myth, we had read it in Ovid's Metamorphosis. We had just come from seeing Hadestown. We had also seen it in a children's book forms, and we were trying to think about how the medium affects the storytelling. We tried to make TikTok videos of, I think, 2 minutes each, which forced the students to really think about what are the key things that they wanted to get across in a very small space, and also have some fun.
I think that being in more of a discussion and experience-based class allows me to sympathize with the characters more than I did last year. I'm familiar with a lot of the stories that we've done, but now I see them in a new light because I'm interacting with them in a way I didn't before. I think that it is really fun when you apply what you're learning to a creative outlet. For our TikToks today, Amanda, you did like get ready.
Yeah, it's kind of a fun way to, because we're reading such old stories, but we can still connect them to our modern culture, which shows how the stories are still important today.
I've always thought of literature as a hands-on field that, especially so many things we're reading, were meant to be either right out, formed, or talking about what it means to be a human as opposed to a god or a hero or monster. We're talking about free will versus fate. We're talking about what it means to be telling stories of resistance in times of political tension.
We look at the same story and the way it's been adapted in multiple ways.
This is probably one of the first classes where I'm able to talk about why it matters today.